In this video, we are showing you an easy and fun bachata intermediate combination using turns and some nice arm decorations. So, let's go!
Solo tengo algo que decirte, sonriendo te veía atrás. No pretendo saber qué hiciste y darte cuenta que yo era más. Y en cada noche me vi llorando, tú no llegabas, tú ya no estabas. Y en cada noche te vi riendo.
Okay guys, so let's get right into it. The first thing that we're doing is a double arm throw. So with our left hand, the leaders, we're throwing the first one on 1, and on 2, we're throwing with our right hand, the other hand on 2. This while doing the basic. On 3, we are catching the first hand that we threw, and on 4, we catch the hand that we threw afterwards. So we go in 7, 8, 1, 2, catch and catch. At the same time, we are creating a little bit of space because afterwards we're gonna do the change places. One more time, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, tap. And from here, we just lead a woman turn and we change the place with her with the basic in 5, 6, and on 7, while the follower is completing her turn, we are doing a spin. So guys, your right leg, your right foot, you cross it backwards and you turn in 7, 8. And guys, from here, with these hands, we are doing an arm breaker. So make sure to not put both hands over your head. But in this case, our left hand, we are bringing it to the back of our back in 7, 8. And we end up in an arm breaker, and this other hand is in front of us.
Okay, we follower have to be very careful with the impulse for the arms because this is a strong impulse, so we have to do a fast arm movement and not just think, oh nice, I can do some styling. So you really have to be aware how strong the impulse is, okay? And also bring your arms up and don't just make it short like this.
Yes, so let's go one more time in 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And from here, guys, we're gonna do a basic. So to the left, because we are on 1, and we are doing a Karisia for the follower. So this hand, just the right one at the moment, we put it with the palm facing up, and we're just going to do a Karisia. Karisia is this type of movement, like a brushing of the hair, or like a, how do you call Karisia in English? Caressing, yes, but make sure to not caress the woman. It just looks like we are caressing her. And make sure to not give her any impulse for the turn. Because if you have your palm facing this way, for example, and you do this, it's very possible that she will think it's a turn. And we don't want that. We want her to do basic. That's why the palm is facing up. And it's no impulse, it's just slowly or fast bringing the hand to the right shoulder. Well, our right shoulder, her left one. Yes. Okay? So we are here, and we go in 1, 2, 3, tap. So as you notice in 3 and 4, I made space between us again, and I prepared the turn. Here, I did my steps to the back in 3, and prepare the turn that way, because the preparation is that way, because the turn goes that way in 5, 6, 7, 8, and we turn as well the leaders in 5, 6, 7, tap. We ask for the hand, maybe 1, maybe 2, and we continue dancing in 1, 2, 3, tap. Do you want to take your Bachata Sensual skills to the next level?
We have an online program where we teach you step by step all the fundamental moves and techniques you need to know to master this dance.
If you want to know more information, make sure to check out the first link in the description. But now, let's continue with the video. So let's get in the position one more time so that Magdalena can explain what the followers do. So we go in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, spin 8, and now goes for the followers.
Yes. So as he already mentioned, we have to be careful that we don't think it's an impulse and we just start turning. There was no preparation or anything. So it's really just that your arm goes here and make sure not to grab the leader's hand here because he wants to leave directly, so you cannot hold his hand. So you always have your hand open or just like a little hook. So when he wants to leave, he can just get free.
Yes, remember, if the leaders are hooking a little bit with the fingers, then the followers are too. But in the moment that the leaders say, I'm not hooking anymore, then the followers also stop hooking.
Okay, so now when the leader goes back with his steps and he also leaves this hand go, you just bring it up into a styling. So let's do it from here. We go in 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. When we bring the arm up, make sure that you have always your hand, the side of your hand, like doing the pose and not like the palm of your hand showing to the side where you are, and you have a nice finger position. So we're from here. Now he leads the turn to this side. So we bring the left arm together with the right arm up, and we turn like this. And from here, with the elbows, we bring our arms down slowly and beautiful, and then we offer our hands to continue the dance.
So let's do it with counting, guys. Let's go in 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. From this point of view, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and also let us know down below what did you think. Was it easy for you or maybe it's too difficult? And also make sure to check out these other videos that you're gonna love. And if you want to learn to dance privately and more intensely with us, make sure to check out our online program, the first link in the description. See you there.